Drop a raw egg on a screaming hot stainless steel pan, and it instantly fuses to the metal, leaving a burnt, impossible to scrub mess. But drop that exact same egg onto a slick Teflon pan, and it glides around like an Olympic ice skater. When these pristine, slippery surfaces hit the market, they became an instant mid-century kitchen obsession. People were fascinated by cookware that wiped perfectly clean with zero effort. But consider the physics happening on your stove. This everyday, man-made material seems to completely ignore the physical rules of stickiness and friction. Explaining this behavior requires looking past the surface of the pan and into a series of invisible chemical shields documented in mid-century chemistry research. The conveniences in our cabinets are often masking specific, rule-breaking scientific anomalies. The official scientific name for Teflon is Polytetrafluoroethylene, or PTFE. It is a synthetic polymer, and its exact molecular makeup forms the foundation of its performance. At its core, PTFE is structured as a single, long, continuous chain of carbon atoms. It acts as a microscopic molecular spine. That carbon spine is completely encapsulated by a dense shell of fluorine atoms. Carbon and fluorine have a high chemical affinity for each other, creating a bond that is among the strongest in all of organic chemistry. Because these internal atoms cling to each other with such extreme electrochemical force, they leave zero available energy to interact with the outside world. This internal stability means the outside surface of the PTFE is inert. These atoms refuse to share electrons, react, or bond with newly introduced substances. When you introduce aggressively sticky materials to the pan, like melted cheddar cheese or burning caramelized sugar, the surface simply repels them away. The food molecules have nothing to chemically grab onto. Without that chemical grip, gravity and momentum take over, allowing your breakfast to slide away. This surface acts as an active microscopic armor, chemically rejecting nearly every substance it touches. This brings up a massive paradox. If Teflon refuses to bond with any material on Earth, how does it stay attached to the metal pan? Engineers had to abandon chemistry to solve this. Since materials won't bond, they rely on brute physical force applied directly to the bare metal. The process begins with industrial sandblasting, ripping up the metal to create microscopic jagged peaks and deep caves. A liquid Teflon primer coat is sprayed into those scratches, then baked at high heat, solidifying and wedging tightly inside the metal overhangs. The Teflon stays in place because it is physically trapped inside a microscopic metal prison. Once the primer layer is secure, manufacturers spray the final top layers of Teflon. Since it is the same material, the top layers easily bond into primer below. The simple act of effortlessly sliding a pancake out of your skillet relies on this hidden microscopic chaos. Making your morning meal possible requires a combination of unbreakable molecular armor and clever mechanical engineering. Understanding the mechanics of your kitchenware shows how much science is hidden in the mundane. Hit subscribe to explore these systems every single week, and to see the physics of why you are pouring your ketchup all wrong, click the video on your screen. Stay curious